especially for those that don't like parking, it has an auto park feature, and that's standard here in the UK if you subscribe to the next level of autonomous driving. So I shall now find myself a car park and demonstrate this. So now you can see we're in the car park. Okay, now this is the weekend, it's a school car park, so it's empty. So you can see on screen you've got a choice of where you want to park. So if we just click that, I'm going to choose that one and press start, it is now going to reverse into that place. Okay, and actually the steering wheel is now moving on its own. So this, for the UK and the European, but this is an example of self-driving. So it's now going to reverse into the parking space automatically. Now if there was cars around it, be aware of cars around it and would stop and let them pass if needs be. And there you go. It is perfectly parked. Amazing.